Is a technical degree enough to get you a job? Evidently not. If you see the scores of people lining up to pursue extra qualifications, do certificate programs after doing a 4-year technical degree, don't you wonder what's happening out there? At Atria University, we've looked at this problem in various ways and given you the freedom to make your own degree, build your own stack of qualification skills that will help you stand out in the crowd and carve a niche for yourself in industry and get the tag of highly employable, not just employable. How does this work? At Atria University, we use the concepts of majors and minors. So what are majors and what are minors? Majors are the disciplines that you will specialize in, that you will go deep into and gather expertise. What are minors then? So minors are these programs, these courses, which will help you build. Either they would complement what you're studying as a major, or they would add a skill set that sets you apart from the others who are pursuing this major. In this path, not only do you have the freedom to decide which minor you would be doing, I will take you through what are the possible options here at Atria University. You would also understand, in terms of being a professional, how do you build your skill set and make it worth for the industry. Another aspect that is very unique to what Atria University offers is the consideration of AI and ML. Typically, AI and ML works as a specialization that is open to a select few. Here, AI and ML work across the majors that we offer. So even if you're doing life sciences, you can choose to do a minor in AI and ML and set up yourself for a career in bioinformatics in cutting-edge technology. So even if you do energy sciences, for example, energy sciences along with AI and ML help you work through those humongous amounts of data that is available in terms of energy and what is happening around the world with energy and climate. So the major and minor concept works well for you to take in the interdisciplinary aspect of your degree. Not only are you focusing on one area in your major, you're adding complementing skills that will strengthen your standing in that major in industry, research, or even if you want to be an entrepreneur. I'll give you another example. If you are doing a course in life sciences, say, and you choose a minor in product management and design, you can venture into product design in life sciences, which goes into the realm of drug discovery, molecule design, and a lot of fascinating frontiers of life sciences. The world today is changing very rapidly, and skills that are needed are constantly evolving. In this scenario, if you come prepared with skills that are a combination of depth and giving you versatility, you stand apart from all the others. Let me take you through the combinations of major and minor that are available at Atria University. The majors we offer are e-mobility, energy sciences, life sciences, and digital transformation. With the major in energy sciences, you could choose to minor in IoT, AI/ML, or data science, and even product management and design. What sets you apart when you take one of these is the additional skill set that you will carry with you into the energy industry. It could be renewable energy, it could be energy economics, it could be ESG reporting. Any one of these minors will give you an edge in the industry. The major energy sciences has to do a lot with renewable energy and understanding the economics of energy and battery management systems. So what would pair well with this? Again, in the world of energy sciences, there is a lot of data that needs to be examined, studied, and used for prediction. Hence, a minor in data sciences would prepare you for this role. Apart from this, you could also choose to do AI and ML, which would help you to work on distinctly interdisciplinary projects. For example, real-life projects related to a combination of digitization of energy sciences and using AI and ML to achieve results and predictions. These are areas which require people, which require trained professionals in energy and someone who carries the skills to be able to use AI and ML effectively to arrive at predictions. These are emerging roles, and in the 4 years that you would spend here, you would ready yourself for these roles. Apart from this, you could choose to do IoT, the Internet of Things, which will help you move into the embedded area of technology and combine it with energy. With life sciences, you can also choose to do a minor in data science. And how does this help? Biology today has tremendous amounts of data available, both in the public domain and within industries. And everyone in industry is looking for people who understand biology and are able to use data science to harness the power of this data, to understand what the data is saying, to create predictions from it. And this is where you will stand out. Within the major of e-mobility, much of autonomous vehicle design is dependent on AI/ML, which is a minor that we offer here along with e-mobility. So should you want to work in a place like Tesla or many of the startups related to drones and aviation that are coming up within our country and elsewhere, e-mobility with AI/ML should be the choice for you. If you are interested in working with sensors and using them effectively to make vehicles that respond different forms of control, IoT along with e-mobility will help you evolve into an embedded engineering role. Apart from this, e-mobility paired with product management and design will help you go into the design aspect of e-mobility, designing autonomous vehicles that are streamlined, that respond to wind conditions, and bring in all those factors that would work for a successful e-vehicle. With digital transformation, you can choose to do fintech along with blockchain. You can choose to do blockchain along with cybersecurity, which are very much in demand today, and much of the computing that is happening uses this form. Apart from this, you can also choose to do data science, AI and ML, IoT, and product management and design. So you have a whole host of options to choose from for a minor that will set you apart. You may be having a major in digital transformation, but what will add to that will be the minor that you take. Do you want to go into cybersecurity? Do you want to stay in product management and design, which is a distinct blend of business and design? Or would you rather be with IoT, which is more tending towards the use of sensors and embedded engineering? So this opens up a host of options for you and helps you to carve out a niche for yourself. Given these host of options that you have to choose as a minor, I'm sure you will have some reflecting and thinking to do about which path to take and where would you want to establish yourself. So having too much choice is not a bad thing. The concept of majors and minors at Atria University is very closely aligned to the underlying philosophy at Atria: interdisciplinary learning and preparing for the real world, and getting to work on projects where you explore the interdisciplinary nature of things and understand how it works. A unique aspect at Atria University is using AI for what it is. It is a tool and it is being used here effectively through the means of offering it as a minor across all the majors. Because at the end of the day, when you study a major, the minor should enhance your understanding and usage of the major. And that is what we are intending to do.